Exactly.
People tend to do a lot more cooking around the holidays, and all of that chopping and carving in the kitchen can lead to more hand injuries.
We've had patients who have unfortunately stuck a knife through their hand as it slipped. So we see a lot of these injuries happen over the holiday season.
Dr. Sanj Kakar, Mayo Clinic orthopedic hand surgeon, says these types of injuries can be serious.
In the hand, it's very complicated. We worry about injury to bones, have fractures, but other things, if we cut the tendon, which is the rope that moves our hand and fingers, or nerve injury, or even blood vessel injury. So they can be devastating injury.
Before you take a stab at carving up that tough autumn vegetable, make sure you're using the right technique.
Don't go straight down with your knife. Just kind of already make contact inside of it, right? And then help push down.
Mayo Clinic Executive Chef Jen Welper says using a sharp knife to drive into what you're cutting will not only require less pressure, but can help prevent the food and/or knife from slipping. For the Mayo Clinic News Network, I'm Jason Howland.